today's a special day. I've got this. Basically, I ordered me some roller skates. Alright, so I ordered a pair of Impalas, and I ordered these a month ago, okay? Because of TikTok, roller skating has become like super popular again. So at the beginning of quarantine, tons of people got roller skates and they were sold out for a really long time. I basically like put myself on like a mailing list, and I turned on notifications for like all of their posts and stuff. And when I was losing hope, they restocked these. So let's see what these babies look like. The box is so pretty. Okay. This is the back. Look at how pretty. And then they're gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm like, you guys are gonna get to see them first. Oh my god, what did I do? They're so beautiful. Okay. They're beautiful. Okay. Look at these. They smell so new. Oh my god. They smell like paint. This is one. They're beautiful. The wheels are so pink. Oh my god. They're so heavy. You can like... Okay, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about roller skating. So I'm gonna set up these skates with you guys, and I'm gonna walk you through the steps that I've learned about how to set up a brand new pair of roller skates. Okay, so we're kind of back to like my usual setup, kind of, you know, it's like very slant. But, okay, so I got this, which is a skate tool that you need to adjust your wheels and your toe stopper when you get a new pair of roller skates. So I'm gonna pop this guy open. Okay, so it's so hot today. I have to turn off my AC every time I film because it just makes a lot of noise. But okay, so what I've learned through TikTok and, you know, a few other people is that sometimes when you get skates, the wheels will come too tight. So if you see when I try to spin it, it kind of like stops itself. And this one actually like rolls a bit better. So we need to adjust them so that they all spin at a good speed so that I don't get stuck when I'm skating in them for the first time. So we gotta find the right end of this tool and adjust them. First one's turn, perfect. That's, I think, how you want it to be. It still makes this little sound, but it doesn't feel like it's loose enough for the wheel to come off. So let's adjust all the other ones. I had to tie my hair up, y'all. It is way too hot for this shit. Like, I live in Miami and it is June 20th, which means we're getting right into the sizzling hot, crispy season. Boy, it's bad. Anyway, so now that the babies are all laced, it's time to put them on and stand up in them for the first time. I did just want to take a second to say that the person that I feel has like educated me the most and that I've enjoyed watching the most while I've been learning about roller skating and that made me really want to get into roller skating is this girl named Karen. Her YouTube channel is called Karen the Carrot, and there's just a lot of things about her that I think kind of like align with me. Her group of friends is like the most aesthetically pleasing, like sweetest looking group of people. And there's a few other things that I really like about her, like she's Mexican, just like me, and she's also a vegan skater, which I think is awesome. I don't say that I'm vegan entirely. I would say that I'm predominantly plant-based, just because every now and then I do like slide off the track of what is like very strict veganism. But I do prioritize the lives of animals. I don't believe in buying leather or suede or anything that comes from an animal. I just don't see the appeal behind wearing the flesh of a dead animal. I don't see the ethical appeal behind that at all. And when I was looking for skates, it was kind of like so many things were just made with leather and so many things were made with suede, and that is why she is such a huge rep for Impala, because all of Impala's skates are 100% vegan. And also I think they're pretty good, like introductory priced for somebody who's looking to like get seriously into skating but you've also never really done it before. The skates were $94 with tax and shipping. I paid like $104. And they look really sturdy. The bearings are all made with metal, versus getting something like Moxie skates where they predominantly use suede, so they're not vegan. And even though they do have a vegan line, most of their skates go between $250 all the way up to like $400. So obviously as a beginner, like that is just not something that I would be willing to pay, especially not you know, supporting a brand that exercises animal cruelty. But yeah, please check out Karen the Carrot. I think she's super cool. Karen, if you ever watch this video, please be my friend. Okay, let's just put on the skates. I'm back. It's much later in the day and I wanted to come up with like a proper outro for the video. So essentially I went out and I skated for a while. Skated, meaning I felt a lot, and right now I'm just really bruised and tired, so I'm gonna call it a day. But I'm really excited to have them. Look, they already have a few scrubs in them, breaking them in. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep at it, and I promise that as soon as I feel comfortable enough to hold a camera as I am moving, or that I feel comfortable enough to place a camera down and film myself go at it, I definitely will. I'm super excited about this. This is like a big like lifestyle thing for me. I think the most important thing that I want to get out of this is learning to stop being afraid of things. And I know that sounds ridiculous, because it's like you're always going to be scared of something. But I'm tired of like my fears getting in the way of my successes, or of getting in the way of the things that I really want. And roller skating is one of those things that I really want to do and that I really want to get good at. I've been thinking about it for such a long time, and I honestly think it's kind of ridiculous how long it took me to like get skates and really like, you know, get to this point where I'm taking that first step and getting started. So I need to lose my fear of falling and of just getting back up and trying again after that. But I think I've done enough of that for today. If you guys want to see skate with me videos, and if you guys want to see progress videos, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I know my channel is like a little all over the place right now, but just consider it a lifestyle channel. You know, we're gonna talk about skating and makeup and hair and cooking and all of that fun stuff. Just, you know, all of those lifestyle goodies. So I hope you're enjoying the content so far, and you know, it seems that I'm getting my feet wet in a lot of areas. So I hope some of you are interested on going on this journey with me and learning to lose fear of life and just do what you gotta do, you know? Alrighty guys, I'll catch you in my next video.